Ever wondered what makes Qingling Box Trucks so incredibly durable on the road? Let's take a ride to uncover this secret. Versatility and ruggedness are in the DNA of Qingling trucks. Whether on smooth city roads or challenging mountain paths, these trucks handle it all with ease. Under the hood lies a powerful 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. It's the heart of our unmatched performance. Precision in every step. Our advanced manufacturing processes ensure your truck is built to last, mile after mile.